Okay, class, good morning. May I request everyone to please stand. Ms. Ognita, lead it. Amen. Please remain standing for our energizer. Follow the steps in our TV screen. Thank you so much. Before you take a seat, kindly arrange your chairs, boys, girls. Kindly arrange your chairs properly and pick up some papers, literature, and put it to the trash bin. Okay, Ms. Secretary, is there anyone absent for today? None. If none, let's give a 5 claps for ourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, to formally start our proper discussion, I am going to show you our classroom rules. Okay, Ms. Benita again. My favorite students, please read. Thank you so much. Now, yesterday we tackled all about, yes, Marilayon. Very good. It is school. Another idea. Yes, Mr. Yago. Very good. It is community. So yesterday we tackled it's all about school and community. Now, let's have a small activity, and I have here two pieces of picture, and the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to analyze it, what the pictures behind. Okay, first picture. Raise your hand. Yes, Ms. Lopez. It is a word rose. A rose. Okay, how about the picture number 2? Yes, Ms. Katubis. Very good. It is schools. Now, what is our topic for today? Do you have any idea? Yes, Ms. Benita, my favorite student again. Very good. Our topic for today is the role of schools. But for now, before we proceed that, I am going to show you again our objectives. Okay, everyone, read. Okay, thank you so much. Our topic for today is the fundamental roles and the functions of school. Let's first the fundamental roles. Okay, number 1. Please read, Ms. Lopez. Very good. Cultural preservation. A cultural preservation class is schools preserve to promote a cultural heritage, teaching students about our history and traditions. Is that clear? Suggestions, clarifications, students? None? Very good. Let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 for the fundamental roles is the providing education. Miss Delopinis, please read. Okay, thank you so much. The schools is providing education to help the students to develop their essential life skills, values, communication, and problem solving. Now, let's proceed to our functions of schools. Number 1, please read, Ms. Cadayona. Thank you so much. The socialization. The socialization provides a platform for a socialization, interaction, and relationships building among the students, teachers, and staff. This institution designed for the teaching and learning, typically comprising the students, teachers, and staff, and schools provide a structural environment of the students' idea. Now, number 2. Number 2 is character development. Please read, Mr. Alberto. Okay, thank you so much. When you say the character development, the school and the teacher teach the students how offer to teach the moral values and ethics to build the students' attitude. Okay, now, do you have any clarification regarding to our discussion for today? None? Okay, if not, let's have a group activity. I will divide you into 2 groups. Please count Mr. Alberto up to Miss Zoilo. Okay, very good. This side is for group 1 and this side is for group 2. I will giving you 5 minutes to do your group activity. Okay, now, so here is your instruction. Each group pick a situation which is perform it in a creative way. So, group 1, pick, okay. Group 2, okay, very good. Group 1, okay, socialization. And number 2 is cultural preservation. Now, I will giving you 5 minutes to perform it. Start. But for now on, students, quiet. I have here a rubrics to our group activity. Read everybody and everyone. Very good. So our 5 minutes starts. Okay, our 5 minutes is already done. So group 1, present. Okay, thank you so much. Group 1, so let's give a 5 claps for group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, number 2, group 2, proceed. Okay, thank you so much. Let's have a 6 clap for group 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now, how's your group activity? Another. Okay, now, do you have any questions again? Clarification, none? Okay, I have here a question for you. I have here a black box, and this black box indicated your name. Okay? Miss Oginita? Okay, your question is from your attendance is, your question is, how the fundamental roles is very important to you. Okay, thank you so much. Miss Catayona? And this is your question. How do you adapt, how you adapt the school rules into yourself and why? Okay, thank you so much for your answer. Miss Benita and Miss Catayona is so very enthusiastic and very good. Okay, now, do you have questions again? If none, let's have a short quiz. And this is your test questionnaire. And this is your test questionnaires. This size, pass it to your classmates. And in this test questionnaire, there's an instruction and minutes. Minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes to answer. Okay, since already done 5 minutes, so please pass your papers. Count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All papers are later that be accepted. Okay, this side. Same thing. Okay, thank you. None? None? Class? Okay. So, for our assignments, because I'm very happy to you, my dear students. I'm so very, very happy. For your assignment is, please read. Miss Maluloy on. Okay, thank you so much. For your assignment is to answer normal paper and 50 points. So, class, please stand for our ending of our practice discussion. Miss Benita, lead it again. Which very students, beautiful. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye, thank you. Goodbye, thank you, class.
Thank you.